Our final lesson this week is going to be just fraction multiplication and seeing if you guys notice the pattern that we have been figuring out this week. So I'm going to pull this sheet back that we did earlier this week about multiplying with the area model. And I wrote down these answers here, and what I want you guys to notice is I'm going to rewrite them here, is I want you guys to look at the numbers that were originally in the fractions, and I want you to look at the products, the answers to the multiplication problem, and what do you notice is happening with the numerators and the denominators in the problems to get those products. Once again, so we're trying to find a pattern or a reason why it worked out the way it did. What exactly did we do to find the answers? And is there a simpler way that we can actually multiply fractions to figure out those answers? So if you look closely, I hope that you've noticed what happens here. We have the answers a 3 and a 16. Well, I know that some of you are thinking in your head, Miss Applegate, 1 times 3 equals 3. And 4 times 4 equals 16, and that is exactly correct. So when we're showing you, it happens to work out that you simply will multiply the numerators to get the numerator answer. You'll multiply the denominators to get the denominator answer. That works for multiplication of fractions. Obviously, you could look at your models to see the picture of it. It does happen for a reason, but when we have been taught after we know that this is the area model for multiplying fractions, we can see that 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and it happens to work out, like I said, when you just multiply the denominators and multiply the numerators to get the answers. Again, down here, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 4 is 8. And if you notice, when we did the area model, we got 6/16, but this is actually the simplified version, simply multiplying them across. I hope this helps you when multiplying fractions, that you can simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. However, this only works when you are multiplying. Please make sure that you are multiplying.